The changes I feel is that the thing is getting expensive every day and there is no money to buy. We are starving.
I am not congratulating him. Nigeria is really, really hard. This thing is getting out of hand.
Me, I fought for him. As I know that day, I know well. They are angry with me. Say, see this woman. She be now maybe this now.
Hello viewers, welcome to Akoko TV, where we update you of all the happenings in Nigeria, around the whole world. I learned that we are celebrating the 1 year Tinubu in office. So we are going to the street now to ask people opinion, to know how far, so far, to know how well he has done so far. You know, he has been ruling us. This is 1 year at office. So let's go to the street and ask people. Let's hear their opinions. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Akoko TV. I am your host, Miri Dadiva. Subscribe, share and like. Also, you can follow us on all our social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, X. Twitter is X, yes. Facebook, X and Instagram and all other our social media handle at Akoko TV. Okay, let's go there. Hello, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
What's your name, ma?
My name is Mrs. Olaide Makunde.
My name is Ibrahim Olumide.
What's your name, sir?
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
I'm Musrat.
Chief S.A. Botadi. Alhaj Agbaje Ismail.
My name is Damilola.
Felix Waziri.
Mr. Ajasa.
My name is Obiche Sonati.
My name is Mrs. Okay.
We heard that they're celebrating Tinubu's 1 year in office. So how would you like to congratulate him?
I am not congratulating him. Nigeria is really, really hard. This thing is getting out of hand. Food items are very, very expensive. Yeah, last year we are buying spaghetti. How much? 9,000, 8,000. Now it's 17,000, 16,000, 15,000. Nigeria is hard. Everything is now times 3. We are not Nigeria is not even moving forward at all. Everything is just too hard on us. I beg. They should look for.
So, do you feel any change since he entered office?
I don't feel any change. Everything is just getting worse. Fuel, no food, nothing. Everything is getting worse. No change at all.
So, if you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
0. 0.
0 over 10.
This is not fair at all. It's not fair on us. It's 0 over 10. Nothing for him at all.
Okay.
You mean our president?
Yes.
That one go far. There's nothing to say about the president. The country is very hard right about now, okay? And at the same time, well, even the president who didn't talk to us, so I don't have anything to say about him.
Do you feel any change since he entered the office?
Now hardship, serious one, no. The change where I see, now hit you.
Okay, so if you are to score him from 1 to 10,
okay,
what will you score him?
Now 3 over 10, no.
3 over 10.
I didn't tell you, my sister.
You even try for 3. Wow.
Now 3 over 10, no.
Okay, thank you very much for talking with us.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Anyways, in his way, as a politician, I congratulate him. On his own, I congratulate him.
So do you feel any change ever since he entered office?
The changes I feel is that the thing is getting expensive every day and there is no money to buy. We are starving.
Okay.
We are really hungry, even including our children. No money to buy food. Our market is expensive. No money to buy market as well. You can see how empty the shop is. Nothing. Oh, we wish you could do better. Let the rice come down to how it was before, like 150 per acre. Now we are buying 1.4. Where do we see money to buy that? No money. Gari is 4,000 naira. How are we coping? Let them do something. Let them open border so that we can eat to our satisfaction. After food, nothing more. We appreciate a lot if the food comes down as we want.
So if you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him as Nigeria is now?
To be candid, me, I don't have any scores for him because I'm not in politicians' side. Do you understand? People that are giving contracts to do the road, they can give him mark. But as for me, I'm a businesswoman. What I'm buying now is expensive to what I'm buying before, and there is no money to invest. So if I could see the changes in my business, I make positive one, so I can give him mark. But presently, I don't have any pass mark for him.
Congratulations. I will congratulate you with what you are facing now.
Do you feel any change since he entered office?
I don't feel any change. Everything is just costing.
Everything just costs?
Yes.
Okay, that's the change you feel?
Yes.
If you are to score him from 1 to 10, what would you score him?
1 to 10. I can't
Like,
score
is
him
it 10
anything.
over 10, 1 over 10, 3 over 10? As in what rate?
Maybe 1 over 10.
Okay, 1 over 10.
Yes.
All right. This is 1 year of Tinubu in office. So how will you want to congratulate him, ma?
You see me as I know well. I supposed to go to hospital. I no get money. My pikin no get money because work he no go again. Congratulations him. God bless him.
Okay, ma. So do you feel any change ever since he entered office?
No food. If food dey for place, money go dey. But no food, no money. If you see me, if you know me before, it's not like this. I'm not like this.
If you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
I know that he dey bring everything come down, but the people wey dey for na him dey share it for their people. If food dey, work e dey, that one go good. I know say e no good do well o, because nobody go say make dem people suffer, but some people want some people suffer. Me, I fought for him that day. I know well. My pikin say they wan carry me go to hospital. I say before I go to hospital, I go vote. They are angry with me. Say see this woman, shebi na me be this now.
I can advise him to help us, our elders and small children, as the country is big now. So I want him to help us, to let us get many things, because the country is now is not as before. We are hungry. The hungry is too much. So that is what I want to say about him. He did well.
Okay,
and
so
I congratulate him to
okay.
continue.
Okay, sir.
And God will bless him. In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen. Okay, sir. So do you feel any change since he entered office? If you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
Now, as it is now, I can give him 60%.
Okay,
because he
6
never,
over 10.
Yes, he never do anything that our people, we are too hungry. No food, no anything. Okay. And our elder, we no get anything. And that's it.
No, many people are not congratulating him because of what is happening in Nigeria right now. I don't have anything to say about him now.
So, do you feel any change since he entered the office?
Yes, we feel the changes, and it's about that everything causing, fuel causing, everything just changed like that.
If you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
I'm going to score him like, let me say 3.
Okay, 3 over 10.
Yes, 3 over 10, because that 3 over 10 is okay for me.
Okay. 3 over 10 is okay?
Yes.
All right.
I congratulate him for well done job. You know, as the country is going, it has been bad for long. But anybody that wants to do this country will go through what we are going. There is no how hardship will not come. But after hardship, because God said it in the Holy Quran, that that after hardship, you will see hardship, but after hardship, then you will enjoy the hardship if you can endure. So we need people to endure and see, and we just want him to help us for the refinery. Without refinery, we can't proceed. And if we can assure us of refinery, not subsidy, that subsidy will not help the country. We are just pushing the hardship forward for those incoming generation. So that's why I need people, I want people to endure, so that we will see the good outcome.
Okay, so do you feel any change since he entered office?
It's changing and everything.
What kind of change do you feel?
Well, we hope, the hope is the changing, you know. As he said, is going to renew hope. And you cannot, the thing cannot implement within the 1 year, but a little changes about the petrol, you know, price in petrol. We want the changes to start from there so that the cost of things will come down.
Okay. Yes. So if you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
For now, let's say 8%.
8 over 10. Yes. Wow. Okay. Thank you very much for your time, sir.
I congratulate him because he's the leader of our country.
Okay.
But I like maybe you help people, help poor masses in this country and reduce the price of market. Some people are begging to see food, so it's too hard for some people.
So, do you feel any change since he entered office?
Change as a good change. There's many changes. Our market is moving from level 1 to level, I don't even know how to put it.
Is it a good change or a bad change?
Maybe it's good for some people, but it's hard for some people.
Anyway, as a living being, I congratulate him now. He's a man working for the nation. So what we're going to do is congratulate him. Whether good or bad, congratulate him. God is going to help us.
So do you feel any changes since he entered office?
There is now. There are many changes now.
Okay, what kind of change do you see?
This hardship, no, this hardship, no food, nothing. It's not changes.
Okay.
So everything that changes, food, no, well, everything. That has not been happening before. That's happening now. So I did not change it. So everything is changing now. So thank you.
Okay, so if you are to rate him, score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
I'll give him 3.
3 over 10?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Well, I wish him good luck. If he can do more better to it, I know that he can do the best and to help the country.
Okay, so do you feel any change ever since he entered office?
Change? I pray it is well and everything is in God's hand.
So if you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
50.
5 over 10.
5 over 10.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. We learned that this is 1 year of Tinubu in office. So how will you want to congratulate him?
For what? For everything done. Nigeria don't scatter. Food we no sabi. We no fit buy food chop again. Rice, anything no good. Nigeria no good at all. I don't congratulate am. May just come out for me using here finish. May just come out for there. No one see him again. This Nigeria no balance at all.
So do you feel any changes since he entered office?
I do not see any changes. So it's getting worse. Very, very worst. There is no changes at all. Everything just the beans have don't cost past rice now. You know if you chop waiting we like again. This life no balance.
If you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
It's 0.
0 over 10.
It's 0 over 10. I can't give him anyone.
You know, get you.
I can't give him anything at all.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Congratulate Tinubu.
Yes.
I know, like, I cannot congratulate anybody because me as a small boy like this, I have known what is sufferness.
Wow.
I have known what they call sufferness. Say, Yoruba will say, Yapo. Yoruba, they will say, Yayi, Otipoju.
Do you feel any changes ever since he entered office?
Any changes, okay. You maybe say at the chop, if I don't get 500, I'll go chop my bread and beans now. Bread and beans gone, don't turn to. If you don't get 1.5, you go chop bread and beans again.
Wow. So if you are to score him from 1 to 10, what will you score him?
Nothing.
You won't score him anything?
I don't score anything.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a blessed day.